Okay guys, so it's the holiday season, so you know that the gift sets are starting to come out. Granted, I didn't buy anything that I don't think I would use, so let's just start there. I opened it already, but just for the sake of showing you how it comes, like if you ordered it online or whatever. So this comes in a deal from Dior. This came directly from Dior because and so this cute little velvet blue case. This is how it looks. Super cute. Little gold trimming. Little zipper. Hold. There's two zippers. Very cute. And it came with the two samples, came in here as always. And the samples I got are these two perfume samples, which I haven't smelled yet. So that came inside this. And so I got this was the ribbon that was on the box. It came with the lip maximizer with the hyaluronic lip plumper and the lip glow cover reveal balm. So one is more like a lip gloss and the other one is more like a. So this, it looks like this. Let's see. I'm maneuvering with one hand, so that's what that looks like. I don't want to say it's a chapstick because it's not. It's like a lip balm, like it says. And I actually really love this. Like, this was really hard for me to find when I was looking for it when I ran out. And that's how I ended up buying this, the wrong one. And everywhere I went, it was like sold out. So I really like this, like in a real way. The cost really of like, this is like 30 something and this is like 30 something. And so, but you get the little case for free, which I thought was really cute. And I really like getting these cases because one, they're cute, they're multifunctional. Like this can really be used as a cute little clutch, like an evening clutch, because it is just absolutely cute. I can throw like a little gold chain on here if I want to and wear this as like a little evening bag, because it's just really feels so soft. It's really cute. And I always say that I'm going to use these bags like for other things, and I never really do. But like this one, actually I probably really would use it. Then I ordered from Chanel. Actually, let me tell you what it comes in here. You have your lip cream. I'm reading that so wrong. You have the Nourish and Protect and Brighten hand cream, the hydrating conditioning lip balm. So you have that one also. So you have those two things inside this little gift box. And before I show you, let me show you also, which I went ahead and got another one of these, which everyone should know, the La Cotton. I've been buying this for years. And they gave me some samples, which I'll show you the samples in a minute. But let me finish opening this and show you the main thing. Again, I'm using one hand because I didn't feel like getting up and putting this on a tripod. Okay, how cute is this? How freaking cute. Look at the new Chanel cosmetic gift set bag. It's tweed. Look at that. I love this. I love this. And I have the other ones from the other seasons. And I was like, oh, I'll use this. And I'm like, no, the other ones were way too like fancy for me. Like I wasn't, it's not something I could use on a day to day. So I actually use them to travel with, to keep all my stuff together. So I use them as cosmetic cases. So, but this one, I think just like the Dior one, I think I'm gonna try to pull it off and wear this. It is cute. Now they don't have it where you can slide, use it as a handbag, but I mean, this is an easy fix. I can easily add something on here. I don't use them like for nothing but what they are. But this one, I think I'm gonna have a change of heart and maybe. Oh, this feels different than the one I have. This must be a different little formula because it feels different. So this is the La Creme Main Chanel. This is for hydration hand cream. This is different than the one that I have. It feels different. Oh, I love the way that feels. And it tells you, tells you, what it is. And then, of course, all this paper. And let me open up. Chanel always have really good good wrapping. So let me open this up really quick. Okay, so this is the Hydrating Lip Balm by Chanel. Typical Chanel case. This is what it looks like. Which, you know what? I can't wait to try this and see how my lips feel, because the last lip balm I had was by Pat McGrath, and I really like it. Okay, I'm sorry. I thought I was recording. I wasn't. Okay, so anyway, this is what I'm doing now. I'm showing you guys what came in the sample box that came with my gifts. Now, I don't know if all of Everywhere You Go have like the sample box that came with this, but mine did. So anyway, it came with the Mademoiselle, which I already own this particular one, and this is it gives, I call it rich auntie smell. I wear this only like for very formal. It smells like it's supposed to be very formal, like, so this is definitely not my go-to. I like the way it smells, but only like special occasions. This is definitely like a special occasion scent for me. It's really like, I don't know, it smells like something my grandmother would like, but in the weirdest way. I'm okay with it, but only for special occasions. This is a mascara, which, I mean, their mascara is okay. I have the mascara too already. This is the primer, mascara primer, which I also already have. I actually have 2 sets. Yeah. This is, what is this? This is, this is telling you about the different things that the different samples. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is different. So they put all your samples together and then they told you what they were for. So this must be what this is for, the little eye cream. Or if you are interested in getting gifts for other people or yourself, or just, pampering yourself or treating yourself, these are some really good ways to do that. And I think it's pretty affordable, but affordable, the word affordable is subjective, so it just depends on your situation. Maybe you don't want the whole gift set, you just want one of the items, and that can make it a little bit more affordable if you just buy you know, something that you just like, that you think you use. One thing about Chanel for sure, no matter how much you spend, especially if you order off of Chanel.com, you're gonna have the same experience that everyone else has. Okay, guys, if you any of you are interested in any of those products, just head to Dior or Chanel website, the beauty shop, or just call your local stores and see if they have it. As for me, I'm about to go ahead and wrap this up. I'm creating my little to-do list for today. I have a few errands to run, so just thank you guys for watching. I'm just going to basically show you my day, and that's it.